Okay guys, we are back and there is 6 minutes to 11 views, so that is good. Oh, what's a fight? I'm putting that bit back in the fuse. I'm putting a lot of tears in the fuse. Okay. Now, onto the mouse. So that is 6. Oh, my friend said Fortnite kinda dying. I play Fortnite. So I'm like, nah. So obviously I didn't want Fortnite to die. So yeah, I said no, I don't want Fortnite to die. I think I never specified that I brush my teeth tonight. To be honest, I don't care. Don't put the pharaoh. Better get your puppy. 8% chance. So if I go. I just do that. I using 2 of the brainrots next to each other, and now I'm doing this on the solar. But then I'm not. No. Don't know how to talk about that. I got it wrong. So if I now go into that, close, and this is 80% chance, then it's a 1 in what? Because that's what I'm going to find out. I'll put it on the screen, I'll slide it on the screen. Yeah. 8. Convert. 8 is a 1 in 13. Okay, so I could put it here. Okay, back on that. I'm gonna buy that. A 1 in 13. There's 2 minutes in here for reviews. Seven is 1 in 14. So it's more than 8. Hopefully it skips views. 1 minute, you're timing a little bit off. Skip views. I don't know why I can't chat. Skip views. 8. So yeah, if I slide it over, there we go. 8. What is 8% chance as a 1 in X probability? Answer: 8 chances approximately equivalent to a 1 in 13 probability. The divine secret lucky block. Oh my god, I almost got on the first try. Welcome everyone. Not welcome, Sammy. Divine mutation. Are we going up to heaven or what? Skip views. If I set up Sammy's YouTube channel, if I go into YouTube, then search Sammy, so just Sammy. Does Sammy have a YouTube channel? Divine. Are they just all gonna come down from heaven? Yeah, it is the wrong mutation. You're spawning all cursed mutations. Divine, I don't. This is divine. We go from the hell mutation to heaven mutation. Divine. Yeah, I'm watching this dead the entire time. 8 o'clock, does that mean there's more chance of a divine spawning? Come on, divine. Thank you. This could. No, this is rare. This is so rare. That's rare. Oh my gosh! There's actually fuse, look. So. Oh my gosh. This Peter Bandito will also be good. Even though I barely spawn these anymore. I know which one I'm getting. Tim Cheese! Okay, so sorry about that. So yeah, we're gonna put all of these in the view. And now let's start it. There's a 1 in now. There's a 9% chance when a 1 in it. No. Yeah, a 1 in 11 chance, so I might get it. What's 4? 4 is 125. Okay. Then. Amiguito, meow.
Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block.
Ay, amiguito, meow. Amiguito, meow, meow. Amiguito, meow, meow. Amiguito, meow. Where should these mates go?
Los tríos. Lucky block. Los lucky blocks. Los lucky blocks.
Amiguito, meow, meow. Amiguito, meow, meow. Amiguito, meow, meow. I think it's hard. So, let's go many toss. I didn't see the new one in the Lost Lucky Blocks. Will I see the new one in the? Yeah, Lost Shock. I'm gonna sell it. There we go.
Cicleteira, bicicleteira.
Okay, did a Chicleteira spawn for anyone?
Cocofanto elefanto.
Okay.
Cicleteira, bicicleteira. Lucky block.
Oh, stupid Chuaninis.
Lucky block.
We listen, go away. We start coming through. I want Even I want something by my phone daily. So I had the trios, I've lost trios. Also 1 in 10. Get something from the fusionness.
Bisonte Giupitere. Lucky block.
The headless horseman that like nobody had. Nah, the best secret in the game is still not.
Sammini Spiderini.
Tacos. Out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block.
Oh, what? For real? Don't think they can get
Lucky
easy.
block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Los lucky blocks. Los lucky blocks. Lucky block. Lucky block. Los lucky blocks. Los lucky blocks. Oh, din 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 dun.
What is that, Ivan? That could it happen? Did they really need to put stuff in your funk? W or L? 1 in 40. Oh, 1 in 8. 18 times 25. I'll do that. 15. A 1 in 7.
Los tríos.
I cannot know what I did this after abuse. No way. Oh, say they cannot know. Oh, divine.
Lucky block. Bakramak mamak. Lucky block.
Let's see if I can spot us a mini Fatini.
Lucky block.
The divine and the lucky block. Goodness. Hopefully I get something good. Oh, I could. What people are saying no. That's creepy. A million. What million people are saying no? I mean, it's your opinion, but yes, obviously one.
Giraffa celestre. Giraffa celestre.
Can you get you come over here?
Oh, din 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 din.
Thank you.
Lucky block.
I'm getting that loss. Los Sacalitas. Turn around my chair. I'll take that.
Tralalelo tralala.
Tralalero, talalo, ukulele, ukala. Don't know why. Number 26. This Boomer should be dead by now. Because in 2026
Tralalelo tralala. Bandito bobrito. Tim cheese. Perochello lemonchello. Avocadini guffo.
I'm gonna get it.
Lucky block.
Could do it longer than half an hour. Cavallo virtuoso.
La vacca Saturno Saturnino.
I just bought normal team cheese. If time is full now, I need to troll him. No. Just born naturally.
La vacca Saturno
If you're
Saturnita.
wondering why I'm buying a Lavacca, why do you think? Fuse. I want to get this a mini fatini. Looks like he's in a full-blown suit going out with his girlfriend. I don't have one. Gonna vision it dating. Nah, we good. Nah, I'm good. Anyway, get out the eye. That's now we good is gonna scream in my comments. Yeah, you should. Guys, please consider subscribing. I really want to do live streams for you guys. So please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me. It would really mean a lot to me if you did. So hope you've enjoyed it this far. We are about to do a good, decent views. Amiguetito, meow, meow. 1 million. Amiguetito. No, I don't. Should I diffuse? Yeah. A 0% chance. I said 0. A 0.00001. Of 1 billion percent. No, I'm getting some. Oh, what am I going to do? Well, I'm reacting to it. Run! What's that video? I got the best device.
Lubini Pizza Nino.
I want to try.
Los Tralaleritos.
Guys, that is the end of the video. God, and thank you all for making these videos. sounds fun. And spam OK.
Lucky block.
Go. So recording. Well, guys, still good content for all you guys. I try to make the best videos I can for all of you. I know I gotta be not good at my best. It's a year. My luck today is crazy. My luck today is crazy. Diamond Chicleterina.
Cicleteirina, bicicleteirina.
I don't think I have enough space.
Graipus medusi.
Take a gripe. Nah.
Lucky block. Lucky
Like,
block.
I'll take a gripe. Nah. I was lucky there. I don't know how.
Lucky block.
Oh my god, I think. Okay, what are you biting me for? You know I'm scared of spiders.
Lucky block.
Stop.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
Okay.
Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Los lucky blocks. Los lucky blocks.
Okay, no. I don't know room for all of this. Martha just had it on the beanie. World version beanie. That big Guru Guru. I saw the thing in that beanie.
Los lucky blocks.
Okay, you don't need to fill the entire red carpet with lucky blocks. Basically calling yourself fat. I don't blame him. Yeah, we're not going to. No, probably won't. We'll open this stat secret in a different video. Don't know what it can. I give you good though. Oh my god. My luck today is insane. I've meant to end the video. Okay. To go, I didn't. One of two rubbish lucky blocks.
Coco fanto elefanto.
I feel like this is just a one-day thing for me. I just get the world's luckiest, with the luckiest day of my life, and then the other day, and the next that means we just get let's get the worst luck of my life. 0.25. Get the divine slap. I got the curse slap, which is actually really, really rare. Okay, and that is going to be the end of my video, and hope you guys enjoyed. And my friends cannot know that I did this after the news. So Yeah, that's the end of the video. In the next video, we are actually going to be opening that secret lucky block. And my luck is all because of you guys. All of my confidence of my luck. That's what. Love you all. Love you all. I'm out. Peace.